The Shiba Inu token, Sheba, has been a hot topic among crypto investors in recent weeks, receiving a lot of press coverage. What do we know about this cryptocurrency, and why is it known as the Dogecoin killer? Price predictions for Shiba Inus at the end of the year. A Shiba Inu coin's average value is estimated to be around $0.00009. Shiba Inu may already be thriving in the vibrant ecosystem it aspires to be by the end of 2022. According to their timeline, the Shiba Inu Incubator and Shiba Inu Reward System will be launched in 2022. The long-term earning potential, according to Wallet Investor, is plus 96.50% per year. For 2022, the Shiba Inu coin appears to be a good investment. Our Shiba Inu forecast for 2023 will be based on data from Gov Capital. This source is optimistic, believing that the year will end on a high note. The price of Shiba Inu could reach $0.000393 by the end of 2023, indicating a massive bull run. Keep in mind that the price of this and any other crypto coin is extremely volatile, and it isn't always affected by random events like Elon Musk's tweets or the introduction of new coins. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, please do your homework. The price of the Shiba Inu coin will not drop dramatically, according to the Shiba Inu coin forecast, and bulls will ride the crypto market. Shiba Inu will once again rule the crypto kingdom with a price of $0.00087. This is consistent with the end-of-year forecast, demonstrating Shiba token's ability to withstand adversity. The price of SHIB could be as low as $0.0067 in 2025. Meanwhile, the Cryptocurrency Price Prediction Index predicts that by the end of 2025, the coin will have reached its highest possible level of $0.0085, with an average price of $0.0025. Please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment in the section below.